Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're going to look at Twilio on the daily, weekly, monthly time frame using technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. So we talked about this one yesterday, getting above this topping tail. We closed, but we never confirmed. And today, what a sell-off. Let's go to the 10-minute chart. And this thing was going and going and going. And we actually did a live video on, or a live feed on my YouTube page, and we're just showing areas of support, and we caught it pretty good. It was still a falling knife, but we had a gap fill. You know, here you're going to stop a little bit down there. You had these pivots here as well. End of the day, we almost closed at the low, and then they popped it up. Some shorts probably covered. You had this little pivot here. Then ultimately, if this thing was really, really falling, you had around the $61 level in there. If you actually put a fib, did a Fibonacci down from here to here. I think it was a 618 right in here. Then ultimately the 750 as well in there, and then you had gap fill too. So you had to add some support in this area. But I love how it bounced. Everyone was buying the dip, and then they came right back and then dumped it in everyone's face. You got to be careful with these guys. It's a new issue. It's coming from a high pivot now. I think we can easily go down to the $60 level or so. And if that area cracks are there, we'll come back. Let's see. Yeah, you got this trend line. You'll come back right into here, 57.32. That's some good support as well. Then you have a gap fill right down in here. So if the markets start going, this one starts going, I think you'll come right back in to fill the gap. You have the 50 MA coming down in here. So, you know, this could be a $50 stock in no time. But next week will be a big one. It's an outside reversal bar from a high pivot. That's pretty ugly, guys. Weekly chart, not telling us too much other than a little bit of a topping tail again. A little bit better than this one actually. Volumes, I wish we'd have like this amount of volume on this day here. But not bad volume, pushed it up, came back in on the weekly. I'll play that tail. If you are short this one, just use the high right here, 70.96 with confirmation and get out. Take the right size share or size position and just set it and forget it. Monthly chart, there's not a lot on the monthly, other than 59.31 is the first level of a support from a Fibonacci level from the all-time low to the all-time high. But other than that, Twilio, man, today's sell-off, be careful. What I'd be looking for is some consolidation inside bar and then the next drop. If we open up, gap down, and start going, then I think we could definitely get into the fill this gap down here at 56.65. And then first stop here, of course, is the 20 MA, and then the green line, which is the 618 retrace at 59.73. So be careful with this one, guys. If you're long, tighten those stops up, and if you're short, enjoy the ride. Everyone, thanks for watching my videos. This is John at StockBookie.com. Thanks again. God bless. See you on the charts.